Hello everyone, I'm back with another quick dinner recipe. Actually, this one is from leftovers. I want to make rice and chicken in my Ninja Foodie using the steam mill function. So I'll be teaching you how to use that and to show you how fast it cooks. But what I'm actually going to be using is leftovers because I was thinking, what will we eat for dinner? What do I have in the freezer? I thought, and then I checked and I came up with this. First thing I'll be doing, I'll actually be seasoning the chicken. But let me tell you a funny story about that. I had the option of drumsticks or turkey. So I was like, which one should we make? My husband said, turkey. I said, drumstick. I went to Andrew, votes. Andrew said, drumsticks. You see, that's 2-1. Then I went to Mimi. Mimi said, drumsticks. That's 3-1. So we outvoted him. So I defrosted the drumsticks and left the turkey in the freezer. Later on, he now got 2 more people to side with him, Abundance and Mary. But by that time, the drumstick had already defrosted. So too late, we are still making the drumsticks. So let me show you how I'm going to quickly season that because we don't have time to marinate. Remember, we are doing sharp dinner, easy dinner. I'm going to be adding salt. I'm using Himalayan salt for this. I don't have any definite measurements, but let's just go with it. Paprika, onion powder, white pepper, garlic powder, cayenne. As you can see, I didn't use all the spices. I'm going to be saving this for when we finally make somebody's turkey. Remember, I told you I'll be using leftovers. So let me show you the leftovers. First of all, this is my rice already washed. That is not a leftover, that is fresh rice. This is leftover. It's actually leftover jollof mix. It has been fried. I did jollof rice last week Friday, and this is the remaining pepper. I didn't use all the pepper, it would have been soggy, so I kept that. That's what I'm using. Inside here, I have leftover chicken stock, and I'll be using that. And this is my remaining oregano plus paste. I'll be adding that too. So basically, that's all. Honestly, I actually wanted to dice carrots and add frozen green peas inside it. But you see the stress of even dicing the carrots. So at the end of the day, I thought, hey, we'll eat the rice and chew the carrots like that. Abi, shebi shark still healthy eating. As for the frozen peas, since there won't be carrots inside, no need for frozen peas. We'll save that for another meal, okay? So that's how I think. Let's get cooking. Dinner is done. Now let me show you the magic of the Ninja Foodie. The chicken is perfectly air fried. Can you see my rice? Perfectly done. Time to eat. Micah is very hungry, so I need to serve him first. And it's very hot, so it needs to cool down. And this is my own dinner. Micah has gotten his own, so I'm going to take my own to go and eat with him now. But yes, this is what you can do when you have leftovers. Always make sure that you don't throw anything away. You know, I'm always someone that is always telling you, nothing must waste. Nothing must waste, you see. Whenever something is left, just keep it, no matter how small. It will come in handy one time or the other. So, and yes, you can see what the Ninja Foodie did. It cooked and air fried at the same time, and everything just turned out perfect. So I'll see you in my next video with another quick and easy dinner.